Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Comic Clan? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today, I got a box break. It's a special mail day. It's a grail. One for the books, in my opinion. If you're into any of that speculation for that Guardians of the Galaxy 3 action, you will see why I ordered this one. And this one actually completes what my checklist for this certain character. Let me just not spoil it until I can show you. So you will see it's a giant box and lots of bubble wrap. So you know what that means. You know what that means. We got a slab. So if you could guess what it is, go ahead. It's one certain character. I guess I'm gonna start getting into the slab game. I don't know if I got a deal on this, but you know what? It's whatever. I jumped the gun on it, I think, but I knew that it was going to be something I don't want to miss out on. So, can you go ahead and guess what it is from the back cover? All right, so it is a 6.0. Let me go ahead and start up this way. If you got good eyes, you could already see what it is. It's a Thor comic, and it's in a nice CGC case. Bam! Thor 166. This is the second appearance of Adam Warlock. Not him, but this is... so 165 I already have, and I showed that in a previous video, is when him became Adam Warlock. So here, yep, second full appearance of him, Warlock, Thor versus him. So, classic cover, gotta get it, because, you know, with Chris Hemsworth signing on for 4 more Thor movies, at least, or maybe not Thor movies, but 4 more MCU movies, I would imagine that he will be battling him, Warlock. So check it out. I'll check out the grading stuff later. Off-white to white pages. Lots of spine ticks. But you know what? Looks great. It really does. Let me take it out of the plastic. Get some fingerprints on there. It's a beautiful, beautiful case. Is this one of the newer ones? Let's see when this was done. I don't know, but 769. And did you know that you can finish high school at home? That's all I got. It's a beautiful mail day, majestic mail day, mighty mail day for the mighty Thor. That's what I'm gonna name this, the mighty Thor mail day grail. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my crush-proof CGC box that I got from Torpedo Comics. That's all I got. This is Errol from High Road Comics, taking this exit.